guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, papakita ko sa inyo ang skin routine for dry skin. First, I wash my face using cleansing cream by Mustela. After that, I use micellar water by Nivea. I make sure na lahat ng dumi sa mukha ko ay natanggal. And then, gagamitin natin itong Vitamin C Real Comforting Mask Sheet ng Nature Republic. Yan. Tapos, lalagay natin siya sa face. Ooh, lumig! And then, tatanggalin natin ito after 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
After that, tanggalin na natin. And then, yung natitirang ampule, nalagay ko siya sa face, tsaka sa neck. Massage your face and let your skin absorb it. You can also use the remaining ampule sa arms nyo. Like this one. After niya matuyo, the next product that I'll be using is the Double Action Essence Reparation plus Anti-Pollution ng Eva Rocher. Eva Rocher. Tama ba? For sure. By the way, ito siya. I also put a little bit of this on my neck. And after that, I let my skin absorb it. Pag tuyo na siya, the next product that I'll be using is the Emollient Cream by Mustela. I massage the product all over my face. Just to let you know guys, I have super dry skin. Kaya sobrang ganda talaga ng products ng Mustela. Sobrang nag-work siya sa akin. Ina-apply ko yung emollient cream nila sa morning at saka sa evening. So anyway, dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. If nagustuhan nyo, huwag nyong kalimutan mag-subscribe and mag-comment. Thank you guys! Bye!